Because most of the time, that fear kills your desire to learn something. Hi Ian Totters, and welcome and thank you for tuning back into my channel. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button for you to be updated for all of my videos. And also hit that small bell right there for you to get updated. Well, I have a good news for you because I will be uploading series of videos that might gonna help not only your English skills but also your communication skills. So if you are up to this series, please hit that like button and do not forget to share this video with your friends. For today's video, I will be discussing 10 important things that you can do to improve your English, especially for beginners. We are all aware that English is the lingua franca or the universal language. And so therefore, knowing and being comfortable or being fluent in English will bring yourself to a higher heights. So without further ado, let's jump into our video. Number 1, first and foremost, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Be confident because most of the time, that fear kills your desire to learn something. So to begin with, you must eliminate that fear within yourself. Second, talk to yourself. For me, this is the most effective technique because this is your practice of conversing. Talk to yourself but not in public. Otherwise, people might think that you are crazy, and you don't want that. Number 3, think in English. Do not translate word for word from your own language to English because thinking in English will help you improve your fluency. Number 4, record your voice. Nobody likes to hear their own voices, but be brave and try it. Record your voice and listen to your pronunciation and intonation because it will help you detect or identify your problem areas. Number 5, do not make excuses. You are never too old or never too young to speak English or learn English. So what are you waiting for? Number 6, keep your accent. Do not worry about making your accent perfect because your accent is your cultural identity. So if you are Bisaya, Black American, or whatsoever, no matter what culture are you from, it is okay as long as your English is understandable, you are good to go. Number 7, tell your family and friends. Get them to push you to study. Or if you might, you encourage them to do the same. So you will be surrounded by an English-speaking environment where you can learn passively. Remember that the best way to learn is through speaking. Number 8, get help. If you do not understand something, you've got to ask someone. It is always better to ask than to never ask at all. Ask your friends, your classmates, or your teacher for help. 9, do it. Use English whenever you can. Always remember that you cannot learn English by just reading a book. Like driving a car, you can only learn through doing it. So do it. Number 10, stay positive and don't ever give up. There may be times that you will feel like you are not learning quickly enough, but it's okay. Everyone feels it. But do not give up because eventually you'll get there in the end. Number 11, and this is a bonus for you. Enjoy it. We are learning more when we are having fun. So enjoy while learning English. Good luck! Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this and I hope you had a great time. See you to our next video. Peace and babush!